Imagine a world without bones. You'd be just a floppy bag of muscles, skin, and organs, unable to stand, walk, or even hold your head up. Your skeleton is your body's hidden superhero, giving you structure, protecting your vital organs, and working quietly with your muscles to keep you moving every single day. But here's the thing, your skeleton isn't just a bunch of dry bones. It's alive, it grows, it heals, and it's more complex than most people realize. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of bones and joints, but in a way that's simple, visual, and fun. By the end, you'll understand exactly how your skeletal system works, why it's so important, and some amazing facts you probably never knew. Introduction to the skeletal system. Your skeletal system is like the framework of a building. It gives shape and support to everything else. Without it, your muscles would have nothing to pull on, and your organs would have no protection. The average adult human skeleton has 206 bones, but when you were a baby, you had over 270 bones. So where did the rest go? Well, as you grow, some of your bones fuse together to form stronger, larger bones, like the ones in your skull and spine. Your bones are connected by joints, held together by ligaments, and moved by muscles through tendons. The skeletal system isn't just about bones. It's an entire support and movement machine. Types of bones. Let's break down the different types of bones in your body. Long bones. These are longer than they are wide. Think of your arms and legs. The femur, thigh bone, is the longest bone in your body. Short bones, small and cube-shaped, like the bones in your wrists and ankles. Flat bones, thin, flat, and often protective, like your skull, ribs, and shoulder blades. Irregular bones. Unique shapes that don't fit the other categories, like your vertebrae and some facial bones. Sesamoid bones, small bones embedded within tendons, like the kneecap, patella. Each type of bone has a specific role, whether it's to bear weight, protect organs, or help with precise movements. Structure of a bone. Now, let's zoom in and see what a bone looks like inside. Bones are living tissues, constantly changing and repairing themselves. A bone has several layers. Periosteum, a thin outer layer filled with nerves and blood vessels. Compact bone, the dense, hard layer that gives bones strength. Spongy bone, found inside bones. Lighter and filled with spaces to reduce weight, but still strong. Bone marrow, the soft center where blood cells are made. Red marrow produces red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, while yellow marrow stores fat. Your bones are like factories, producing blood cells, storing minerals like calcium and phosphorus, and supporting your whole body structure. Axial and appendicular skeleton. Your skeleton is divided into two main parts. 1. Axial skeleton, the central core of your body, made up of 80 bones, including the skull, spine, and rib cage. It protects vital organs like your brain, heart, and lungs. 2. Appendicular skeleton, the limbs and the girdles, shoulders and hips that connect them to the axial skeleton. This is where most of your movement happens. The skull. Your skull is like a protective helmet for your brain. It's made of 22 bones, 8 cranial bones, and 14 facial bones, all fused together, except for the jawbone, which is movable so you can talk, chew, and yawn. Fun fact, babies have soft spots called fontanelles that allow their skull to grow and pass through the birth canal. These close up as the child grows. The spinal column. Your spine is a flexible column made of 33 vertebrae, separated by cushioning discs. It's divided into regions. Cervical, neck, 7 vertebrae. Thoracic, upper back, 12 vertebrae. Lumbar, lower back, 5 vertebrae. Sacrum, 5 fused vertebrae. Coccyx, tailbone, 4 fused vertebrae. Your spine not only supports your head and body, but also protects your spinal cord, the main communication highway of your nervous system. The rib cage. Your rib cage has 12 pairs of ribs that protect your heart and lungs. The upper 7 pairs are called true ribs because they connect directly to the sternum. The next 3 pairs are false ribs. They connect indirectly. The last 2 pairs are floating ribs. They don't connect to the front at all. Joints. The moving connections. Now let's talk about joints, where bones meet. Without joints, you'd be as stiff as a statue. There are 3 main types. First, fibrous joints, no movement, like in the skull. Second, cartilaginous joints, slight movement, like between vertebrae. Third, synovial joints, free movement, like the knee, shoulder, and hip. Synovial joints are the most common and are filled with a slippery fluid that reduces friction, like oil in a machine. Types of synovial joints. Synovial joints come in different shapes, allowing different movements. Hinge joint, like the elbow and knee, moves in one direction. Ball and socket joint, like the shoulder and hip, allows rotation and multiple movements. Pivot joint allows rotation, like between the first 2 neck vertebrae. Gliding joint, small sliding movements, like in the wrist. Saddle joint allows movement in 2 directions, like the thumb. Condyloid joint, like in the fingers, allowing movement but not rotation. Bone health and repair. Your bones are constantly being broken down and rebuilt, a process called remodeling. If a bone breaks, your body immediately starts repairing it by forming a blood clot, then a soft callus, then hard bone. To keep your bones healthy, get enough calcium and vitamin D. Stay active. Weight-bearing exercise strengthens bones. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol, which weaken bones. Diseases like osteoporosis make bones weak and brittle, so prevention is key. Amazing facts about bones. Your femur can support 30 times your body weight. Bones are 5 times stronger than steel by weight. Every 7 to 10 years, you basically have a new skeleton thanks to remodeling. The smallest bone is in your ear, the stapes, and it's smaller than a grain of rice. Conclusion and closing. So, the skeletal system is far more than a static frame. It's a living, dynamic, protective, and supportive system that keeps you standing tall, moving freely, and living life to the fullest. If you found this explanation helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Vital Codes for more fascinating insights into the human body. Remember, take care of your bones today, and they'll take care of you for a lifetime.